welcome Kiss TV. So today's video is going to be sponsored by Unice from AliExpress Hair. If you guys are wondering, they are an AliExpress vendor that sells wigs from Unice Hair, the company. So I'll have all the information to this wig below. Just to go ahead and get this disclaimer out there, if you're looking for a bob, I'm sorry sis, I cut this. Yes, I cut this myself, which is why it may not be perfect. This is my first time cutting a bob, so it may not be just perfect, but I did it and I'm satisfied with it. I think it looks super cute. The lace was awesome. I did bleach the knots. I did not pluck it, it was pre-plucked, so super convenient for beginners, but super soft and affordable. So if you're looking for something, you like to switch it up a lot and you're not trying to break the bank, completely suggest this company. I don't have any cons, honestly. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this hair like a 8. Yeah, I love it. I'm so excited about the bob. I will have information on this unit as well as their website in the description box below. Other than that, let's get into this install.